G'day guys, we're back at the goat farm. It's been about 9 months when we did the bottom third of Rampage. So I'm here today with Dave and Connor. Hey fellas. And we're gonna try and tick off a little bit more. I'm pretty shit scared. We've done a warm up on Floatopia. We're gonna go and do the bottom jumps. Connor's gonna do this one now. Get that line done again, and then we're gonna see if we can move up the hill and do some more. Yeah.
And by more I meant some of the jumps higher up that we hadn't done before. But first we had to get through the bottom section once again, and that wasn't necessarily going to be easy, for me at least.
Yeah. Yeah.
A little bit slow.
Nice, buddy. You alright?
My shoulder's not happy with it.
Oh no, what did you case that last one?
A little bit, yeah.
Just pedaling like a I'd forgotten the speed. Here, Connor. Here, buddy. Nice. Nice, buddy. Well done. You got a pedal, hey, for that last one?
Yeah, I land up on. Oh, felt the tyre. I did the same. Yeah.
We did one last train to make sure we had it dialed in.
Yeah, boys. All right, so that's the bottom two done.
I feel like you can't do this when you kind of have to do these two, don't you?
Exactly.
Well, I mean, I was thinking about just doing the shark fin.
Yeah, now walking back up?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll do that then.
The shark fin is my least favourite feature, and I was not feeling very confident at all.
It was at this moment he knew.
Nope.
That was pretty painful, but I think my ego took most of the damage. I was going to have to lift my game.
Yeah. Oh.
Out.
Just didn't get enough speed around the...
Yeah, I'm sorry, I clicked up instead of down.
Yeah.
It was way too tall, so I don't know if you heard, that's why I said I'm out.
Yeah, yeah. And then I paused and I'm like, how's the wheel?
It's a little bit wobbly.
Yeah.
If I couldn't even clear this jump, then there wasn't much point continuing.
How'd you go?
Yeah, not too bad. The shark fin was a little bit sketch.
Yeah.
Just a slight case, but not too bad.
Felt like I only just made the first one, and then the shark fin was fine.
Speed, speed, speed. To the bottom, hey? Is that the plan?
We wanted to get up the hill to some new jumps, but I had a sense that this was too rushed.
Yeah!
That actually really frickin' hurt, and I could feel my leg and arm burning. Nothing seemed to be broken, but I'd had enough.
Oh. Yeah.
What happened?
Just got too sideways in the air and landed on the side.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's me, I'm done.
Yeah, no, yeah, fair enough. Let's stack twice, there's no point.
How'd you go? Did you get it?
Yeah, actually, over
Nice, man.
cleared this one.
We stopped here. I only just cleared this one, so I bailed out on the next one.
Yeah, the long and low.
My
Yeah.
my gears were kind of popping around.
This wind's picked up a little bit.
The wind's picking up, hey, yeah.
I just want to get this full run at least once, and then I might go try the Legacy and that, to be honest.
All right, so that didn't go very well. I'm okay, but I'm pretty sore. I'm going to call it quits for the day. Hopefully I'll get some good footage of the boys. They're going to going up to do a run now. Let's see it. I think I can see them coming, possibly. Nope. Yeah, buddy. Ew. Nice. Not the boys. Come on, Dave. Holy dooly. Connor's going for it. Yes, Connor. Oh, he missed the last one. What? You alright, Dave?
What?
You didn't do the last one.
Yeah, I felt like... I don't know, one that boom way too tight.
Yeah, you come in with more speed, hey?
I was like, oh shit, I need to pedal in, I didn't.
Yeah. Well done.
Yeah, sounds good.
And I nose cased that one.
Yeah.
Knows it?
Whoa.
Nose case.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was your back wheel.
No,
I thought it was the back wheel
fun.
too. Holy shit, mate. I've got the GoPro there too.
Oh yeah, wicked. Nice slow-mo.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I think I'm going to call it too
Yeah.
before I bag myself.
Good stuff, man.
Like, that's two sketchy runs that I've
Yeah.
got away with.
I might do one more until I get a whole run in.
Good call by Dave, I reckon. And at least we got to see Connor having a crack.
Whoa.
Nicely done by Connor. It was great to see his jumping so dialed. Props to this young fella for having a go.
Right, Clay.
I'll follow you, Dave.
Thanks to Connor for this final follow cam down Flowtopia, and many thanks to you for watching this far. It would be awesome if you could let me know what you thought of the video and whether you think I have a chance of one day cleaning the whole of Rampage. And some last thoughts on that. Although I'm not getting any younger, I'm still hopeful that there might be a chance. Yes, I'm an average rider, but I'm a strong believer that with the right practice and a lot of dedication, we can achieve more than we think. I came into this day hoping to pick up where I left off, and without having done too much jumping practice on my new bike. And that was a mistake. The Titan definitely handles differently to what I'm used to on lighter, smaller bikes, and I need to get used to that. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. Thanks again for watching, and see you out there.